Alright guys, this is Jay Lyons speaking, and wanted to show you a little bit about this program that I used personally 5 years ago to stop drinking, and I used it about 4 years ago to quit smoking. Neuroprogrammer 3 Professional. Nice program. You can do just about anything with this as far as learning how to reprogram your subconscious mind to do what you want to do. I went to Alcoholics Anonymous for a little while, but I've learned since then that they're totally counterproductive by being just another religion, basically. So we'll start off here, get into this disclaimer. I have read and agreed upon the above information. Yep, okay, we'll continue. I don't have any of these. These are other things you can get to enhance the programming. What was that? Any session could be exported in a wave. Okay. Really want to get out of this altogether. Go through all this stuff. I'm pretty well set on what I want to do. Okay, I'm going around the circles. Click here for more to get started. Affirmation Wizard. Alright, we're going to, right here, clicked on the Affirmation Wizard. We're going to record an affirmation, create the recording, and the recording I'm going to create microphone. And this isn't, okay, start recording. I hope this works because I'm recording two things at the same time here. I am happiest and healthiest when I am clean and sober. Stop the recording. Play the recording. I don't have my speakers on, but we could tell that it recorded because of the frequencies that are on the screen. Just good affirmation you want to use. Next. Do you want the affirmation? I usually start in a custom setting. I put this up to about 15 minutes. It gives you time to get into from the beta state, which is normal, waking through the alpha, down to theta, and sometimes into delta, very low frequencies, which are basically getting your mind into a hypnotic state. So it's relatively easy for these auto suggestions to be implanted in your subconscious. Okay. Play once, loop all, repeat all until 5 minutes before session ends. Okay. How much delay should there be between? We can have a 3-second delay in between looping through the recording that we just made. Click preview. Affirmation scripts volume. I am happiest and healthiest when I am clean and sober. Now over here we can put reverberations and echo if we want. So put up an echo. Not taking the echo. There we go. I had to shut it off. Echo. Yep. I am happiest and healthiest when I am clean and sober. Well, that's not going to work very well. Reverberation. I am happiest and healthiest when I am clean and sober. Okay, well that gives you a little sewer pipe reverberation. Oh, we'll keep it anyway. Now we're going to come up to the session player. Meditation and relaxation. These are the different things we want to look at, and we're coming down to theta meditation. 50 minutes, alternating variable. Okay, we'll do this. Alternating for hyperactive people. That's me. Load session. Here we go. Start now. You can hear the beats in the background. Let's take the slider and move it over into the 15-minute range. Now we should hear our affirmation. Okay. I am happiest and healthiest when I am clean and sober. Now we want to bring these up and balance them out so that there's contrast. Just want to be barely able to hear your auto-suggestion. And healthiest when I am clean and sober. Come up just a little bit more. I am happiest and healthiest when I am clean and sober. So when I used this, I was just about to fall asleep at night, and I didn't want to have it too loud so it would wake me up. I mean, I fell asleep with this thing going on, and you don't want to wake up because all of a sudden after 15 minutes your auto suggestions are coming in, and you don't want to be startled awake. If you fall asleep, that's fine. I am happiest and healthiest when I am clean and sober. Okay, I like it. I want to edit the session a little bit. This is what we've got going on. We don't need some of these things. We don't need left eye strobe. Remove that track. These are for light strobes that can enhance the viewing. Right and left warm ambiance. Now we're going to take this one here, drop this down there. Only because when we fall asleep and we're listening to this, we don't want our brain waves to go back up and wake us up again. So we're going to bring them all down to about 4.8. That's fine. These we can really, let's see, where's the timeline here? I'm going to, let's go to 15 minutes. We're not starting our recording until we get around here. These can all, I guess it's alright. So we're good to go for this. One more time on testing it. this one we can bring the slider across. Now right now it's recording the frequency, your vibrations. Right now you're listening to the original, the vibration, the frequencies. Right now you're listening to the beats as it starts. Now when I let go of my finger on the left button on the mouse, it'll set it at just about 16 or 17 minutes, and you'll see the difference in the beats. And we should also have our auto suggestion kicking in. Guess not, okay. But it's there anyway because we included it in the last. It was included before. We just adjusted the tail frequencies. Stop this. Okay, now we're going to go back and create an MP3 with this. We don't want to overwrite the original session. I'm going to create a new one. Just for this meditation. Okay. I am happiest and healthiest when I am clean and sober. All right, that looks good. Now we're going to export our session. Okay, we're going to bring this into our Neuroprogrammer 3 documents in your document files, and just label it Sobriety, or whatever you want. You should not listen to brainwave altering while driving or operating machinery. This will put you to sleep. Okay, now we're exporting. And this is going to take a few minutes. Okay, our exports are complete. We take a look, see what we got here. Yep. Sobriety. Open that up. And there we go. It's in a wave sound. And sober. I am happiest and healthiest when I am clean and sober. Okay. When you're doing this, it's better to have it in your own voice, because that way you're talking to yourself, and it, from what I've understood, it works a lot faster. Tools up here, I believe we can change the output to MP3. Create a new recording. Nope. Text to speech. Export session. We can go and change what we want to export it to from a WAV, OGG, or MP3. And that way it's a lot easier to upload it to an MP3 player or WAV or MP3, burn a CD, depending on what you choose. And that was under files. Export session. Just come over here. Okay, and that's basically it. I listened to the recording for about 2 or 3 weeks, and I just quit drinking. Just it was like it never happened. It just went away. It was very, very easy. I was actually surprised, because when I started the whole project, I was very doubtful, but I had nothing else to do. I was unemployed, and I figured, what the hell, I'd give it a shot. And it worked fine, and I did it for smoking. When I quit smoking, I just said I'm happiest and healthiest when I am only breathing clean, fresh air. And that took about 2 weeks, and smoking was gone. It's not a matter of if it's going to happen, it's a matter of when it's going to happen. It may take you longer, it may not take you as much, but it will work. This stuff is very, very powerful. You can even use it for going on a diet by telling yourself you're just going to eat healthy fruits, vegetables, and lean meat, and that would cut out all the carbs that are packing on the pounds. Hope this helps you. I'll be talking to you later.